Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money by different methods within the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will need to log in using your Google account or by using your email address and your password. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from where you can either see the daily goal option, where you can click on the enroll button, which will reward you various different Swagbucks rewards as you continue to enroll and complete the tasks within the daily goal. Underneath, you will also find various different answering options. You can tap on the Start Survey Now button, and this will now show you various different surveys that are available for you, which you can fill up in order to get various different rewards within your total Swagbucks. Now, underneath the answer section, you will also find the play menu, where you can play various different games in order to make Swagbucks. You can also find the answer, the play, as well as the shop option underneath alongside the home button. You can discover various different surveys and the games that are available from this menu as well. Now, whenever you start any task, you can click on the Get Now button if you are playing any game to complete tasks. After this, you will be redirected to the game page in order to download the game. And after you have completed the task that is displayed within the goal progress menu, you will be given the various different rewards that is displayed alongside each milestone. You can also use the shop menu for various different shopping needs, and you may also win various different cashback in the form of Swagbucks onto your account. And there you have it. Those are the various different methods by which you can make money on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.